What's good, YouTuber? Welcome to another video. I'm Ezekielo, and today I have with me a portable Bluetooth speaker made by a company named GGMM. So I have here with me the GGMM M4. Some of you might have heard of it. Yeah, I know it's quite a mouthful. M4 is the model name, and the name of the company is GGMM. So you get GGMM M4. This is a 40 watt speaker, so definitely it's going to be comparable to the JBL Extreme and the Docking Define. It's got inbuilt rechargeable battery, which is set to last for like 10 hours thereabout. Yeah, I'll be testing that definitely. Okay, let me just turn it like this. Alright, so here we go. Unboxing. Open this up. Okay, so opening the box, the first thing you see is your power plug. Wow, the charging adapter is quite huge. Yeah. Okay, let me just put that aside. And then you have a 3.5mm audio cable. Alright. And you have a thank you card from GGMM for buying their products. Alright, turn this down. Yes. Alright, you have the instruction manual. Yep. And then here comes the speaker itself. Alright, let me just put that down. And then, alright, you have a carrying strap here, which you used to attach it. Okay, so that's pretty much all that's in the box, nothing else. Let me just drop that down. Yeah. Let me just open it up. Voila. Yeah, let me just put this down. It's made of a wooden cabinet and now covered with like a leather material around it. Wow, it looks quite premium and solidly built. Feeling this. So at the front you can see no tweeters. You've just got 3 main drivers. You have the big one in the middle and 2 other drivers by the sides. So at the top you have 5 button placements. You have your power switch. So the second button is for connection mode, so you can switch between Bluetooth, because it has Bluetooth and it also has Wi-Fi, so you can switch between connection modes with the second button. Then the third button is your bass button, and then you have your volume rocker buttons, your volume up and down buttons. That's pretty much all that's on the top. So at the sides you've got these irons that shoot out here, by the side, with which you used to attach the strap, the carrying strap. Let me just attach the strap and we'll test this out quickly. Alright, let me just put it like this. Here we go. And yeah, so you can see, you can just carry it like this. So put on your headphones and let's test this out and see how it sounds. Wow, to be totally honest with you guys, from the first sound impressions, this thing sounds amazing for the price with lots of bass. Well, I'll be doing more comparisons with this speaker. So I'll be comparing it with the JBL Extreme and the Docking Define. So make sure you stay tuned. But that's pretty much it for the first sound impressions of the GGMM M4 portable Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for watching. I am Ezekielo and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.